The use of car seats for children is important for a couple of reasons. One, it's mandated by law, so of course we always want to follow the law. But two, and more importantly, these seats save children from unnecessary harm and protect them from danger. These seats must be properly installed or they're ineffective. You can go on YouTube and watch demonstrations as to how to properly install these items. You can contact a friend who's done it before, or you can go down to your local firehouse and one of the firemen or firewomen at that place will put it in for you. But it's extremely important to make sure that it's installed correctly for the safety of your child or any other child riding in that seat.